Okay, I am back. And now we'll start the sewing. Okay, this bobbin has to be changed. Hope you're all still with me. And so we'll change the bobbin. I got this handy little bobbin holder from a neighbor, and it's kind of rubbery, so it holds on to your bobbins. They don't slip around or roll around. They stay in place, and they're easy to put the bobbins in and out, and it's perfect. So very handy little gadget. Okay, so this one, I believe, went up one way, and the other one went the other way. That one I must have put down, tucked down farther. So it doesn't look the same at all. I think I did it like this so that we could tell where the front and back was. Not going to fussy cut it or anything like that, but it almost looks like this one is bigger. Like I went, so I think I'm going to measure. I think I'm going to put this one where it belongs in accordance with the other one. So I think it was about right here, and they were on an angle, kind of about like that. And then the other one, I don't know, is that right? Yeah, okay. So that's pretty close to the same. Looks like it could go a little higher. When I put the 2 points together, because I'm not going to trim off anything with this one, we're going to give it, because we're going to do like a box stitch in here, boxy hole, like a attachment. And then I'm going to hold it up and make sure I have the right angle up here. I had them angled because the shoulder slopes a little. On most people, it kind of slopes a little, so we'll see how that goes. I want it to be on the bottom hole. It should be pretty close to the same, and I'm still not seeing it. You can eyeball it if you can. I don't know if you guys can see where my pins are. And then up here, it's pretty close. When I pull out the material flat, when I lay the fabric flat, um, I'm going to go just in a little more because it has some give to it, and I want it again the shoulders to hold. I want the fabric to hold in place so it doesn't slip. So where was I on my threading? Right here. So we'll get this threaded. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I got to thread this real quick here if I can. I have a needle threader on this machine, and it's not so automatic. You manually do something while you're holding the end of the string, and you have to keep pushing the button, and I think it's right here. Yeah, see that? It goes up and down right here. I can get you guys in closer. You can see the machine. Let's see if I can get some more light. Okay. But I don't really like to try to use it because it takes me longer. So let me snip this again with my sharper scissors. See if I can get it to go in. I have to use my trifocal glasses to see. Well, I think they're trifocals. I was wearing trifocals and I went to the doctor and I was going to try bifocals because it was going to be less expensive. But I couldn't imagine the thought of trying to get used to, you got to do an adjustment on your eyes to go from a trifocal back to a bifocal. So, okay, threads in. We're going to get the front. And so I remembered the labels. Where's that inside label? Okay. It was on the left, inside there. Okay. So this is the front. And so this would be the front of the arm where the arm starts. And let's see if I can find my pin marks. That'll tell us. And I'm not seeing them. So I'm thinking this goes right where the arm starts. So the belt end is going to go like right in there. This one might be a bit of a challenge because I don't really have any way to find out if it's in the right spot. Maybe I'll move it over. 6 of one, 12 of the other. Okay, that's a bit too far. Okay, let's go right about here. And then I will put my pin in it. And then I will mark with another pin to hold it firmly. You don't want that fabric to mess up under there. You don't want it to go anywhere. You just want to keep it in one spot. And you're not going to worry about the flap because that's going to go over this. So I think it's going to go like this. She'll say, oh, I have yellow squares under there. Okay. So wish me luck. I'm getting ready to, oh,